50 weapons, 6 categories, 1 elite unit. Welcome to the ultimate guide to Poland's GROM Special Forces firepower. Starting off with assault rifles and carbines. Heckler and _ 416 Hong Kong dollars. Short-stroke gas piston keeps carbon and heat out of the action. GROM's primary rifle from Mosul to Kabul. Cleaner operation means fewer malfunctions. Up next, Heckler and _ 417 Hong Kong dollars 7. 6. And 62mm NATO rounds delivered double the energy of standard carbines. Afghanistan's valleys demanded this reach. Punches through barriers beyond 600 m. Next, 6-hour MCX field adaptable rifle that switches between 5.56 and 300 blackout calibers. Change barrels in minutes without returning to the armory. Up next, SIG SG 551. Swiss precision meets cold weather reliability. During Euro 2012 security operations, dependability under pressure protected international venues across Poland. Then Knight's Armament SR-16. Premium American craftsmanship for Poland's finest. Smooth operation and exceptional accuracy justify the price when lives depend on flawless performance. Next, Colt M4A15. 56mm carbine with direct impingement gas system. The rifle that started GROM's legend in Iraq. 14. 5 in barrel balances velocity with maneuverability. Bushmaster M4. Coalition interoperability demands shared platforms when working alongside NATO allies. Common weapon systems simplify logistics and enable seamless cross-raining. FNF 2000 bullpup configuration puts the action behind the trigger. 25 inches overall length delivers 16 inches barrel performance in a compact package. The next one, Heckler and _ 36. Reinforced polymer receiver reduces weight to 7 pounds loaded. Integrated optic rail and folding stock suit vehicle-mounted quick reaction forces perfectly. Moving on to submachine guns and PDWs. 6-hour MPX, AR-15 style controls on a pistol caliber carbine. Operators transition instantly from rifle to submachine gun without relearning the manual of arms. Heckler and _ MP5 roller delayed blowback keeps recoil under 5 pounds. From hostage rescues to counter-terror ops, 900 rounds per minute with pinpoint accuracy at 50 m. Now this is the FNP90. Top-loading 50-round magazine feeds horizontally. Ambidextrous ejection downward keeps brass from hitting teammates in tight formations during room clearing. Continuing with sniper and precision rifles. Accuracy International AXMC. Operators switch between 338 Lauer 3000 Norma and 300 Win Mag without weapon replacement. True multi-cal precision at its finest. Accuracy International AWM 338. Laua Magnum reaches 1500 m accurately. GROM snipers in Ghazni province relied on this British precision. Cold hammer forged barrel maintains sub-MOA groups. Barrett 22 Malawian Quaches MR7. 62 NATO 6. 5 Creedmoor or 300 Norma. Operator's choice. Folding stock and adjustable cheek rest adapt to any shooter's body type. Barrett M82 A150 BMG semi-automatic rifle with recoil-reducing muzzle brake. Iraqi freedom proved its worth against vehicles. 10-round magazine delivers repeated shots at 1,800 m. Sacco TRG-22. 2-stage match trigger brakes at 2 pounds. 308 Winchester chambering with 5-round detachable box magazine enables quick tactical reloads under fire. Sacco TRG-42 chambered in 3000 Win Mag or 338 Lauer for extreme range. Aluminum chassis system with fully adjustable buttstock provides custom fit for each operator. Shayak M200 Intervention 408 Shayak cartridge maintains supersonic velocity past 2200 m. Specialized ballistics computer calculates wind and drop in real time for first round hits. Next, Laru Tactical OBR-7. 62-7. 62 NATO semi-automatic with 18 inches barrel. GROM marksman transitioned to this during Afghanistan deployments. 20-round magazine capacity engages multiple targets rapidly. Knight's Armament SR-25. During Afghanistan deployments, this platform provided critical overwatch. Decades of refinement created legendary reliability and consistent accuracy in brutal conditions. Then Heckler and _ 116 pounds precision rifle with adjustable trigger down to 1.5 pounds. Guaranteed half MOA accuracy with match ammunition at 300 m every time. Heckler and _ E90 weighs 12 pounds compared to PSG 117. Polymer stock and shortened barrel maintain accuracy while improving tactical mobility for urban operations. Then FBBOR Polish industry supporting Polish operators. Bullpup design packs powerful calibers into compact configurations for urban dominance and close quarters precision. FBOR 12. 7mm Polish anti-material rifle. Made in Poland for GROM operations. 35 pounds weight stabilizes massive recoil. Accurate to 1500 m against vehicles. Continuing with machine guns, FN Mini belt-fed 5.56 with collapsible stock. 200-round box provides sustained suppression. GROM assaulters carry these at 15 pounds while maintaining full mobility. UKM 2000 P7. 62 NATO belt-fed at 700 rounds per minute. 26 pounds with bipod. Quick change barrel prevents overheating during extended firefights. Dillon Arrow M134D. 6 rotating barrels fire 7. 62 NATO at 3000 rounds per minute. Electric motor driven, typically vehicle or helicopter mounted for devastating suppression. The next one WKM BM12. 7mm heavy machine gun on tripod mount. 600 rounds per minute, effective against infantry, vehicles and aircraft to 2 kilometers. Moving on to pistols, Glock 17. Simple, reliable, lethal. GROM carried these through Baghdad's oil terminals in 2003. This Austrian pistol fires every time without question. Up next, 6-Sauer P226. When GROM stormed Iraq's oil terminals alongside SEALs in 2003, accuracy under pressure mattered. This sidearm delivered surgical precision when it counted most. 6-Sauer P228. Smaller frame, easier concealment. The compact design sacrifices nothing in stopping power when protection details turn violent. Heckler and Underschied. German engineering with interchangeable components. Operators reconfigure trigger groups, grips and safety levers to match left or right-handed shooting preferences on demand. Heckler and Mark 2345 caliber stopping power with threaded barrel for suppressors. Designed specifically for special operations forces requiring silent lethality behind enemy lines. FN 57 fires 5.7x 28mm rounds at 2000 foot purse penetrates body armor that stops conventional pistol ammunition cold. Now this is the IMI Desert Eagle. Rarely deployed, always respected. When psychological impact matters as much as ballistics, few handguns command attention like this Israeli beast. Moving on to shotguns. Remington 870 12-gauge pump action with 18 inches barrel. Fires breaching rounds, buckshot or slugs. 7-round tube magazine. Utterly reliable mechanism under any conditions. Benelli M4 Super 90 gas-operated semi-automatic with auto-regulating system. Cycles light target loads and heavy 3 inches magnums without adjustment. 5+1 capacity for rapid engagement. Mossberg 512-gauge pump with 8-round capacity and ambidextrous safety. Toolless barrel swap between 18 and 28 in configurations in the field. Finishing off with heavy weapons and anti-tank. Heckler and __GLM 40mm underbarrel launcher adds 3 pounds to rifle. Single-shot bri-action design fires H smoke or illumination to 350 m. Heckler and K69A1. When GROM assaulted the Chayat terminal, dedicated grenade launchers provided precision explosive delivery. Standalone design offers superior accuracy and versatility. RGP 46-round revolver-style grenade launcher. 40mm cylinder fires complete salvo in under 3 seconds. Devastating area suppression weapon for ambush situations. LRMVZ-99 Ontos 60mm mortar weighing only 9 pounds. One operator carries complete system firing rounds to 1400 m for indirect fire support. Carl Gustav M384mm recoilless rifle firing heat smoke or illumination round 17 pounds unloaded effective against armor to 500 m. Then Carl Gustav M4 reduced to 15 pounds from M3's 22 programmable sight calculates range wind and lead for moving targets automatically. SAR 84mm disposable launcher weighing 14 pounds. Heat warhead penetrates 420mm of rolled steel armor at 300 m. AM72EC 66mm rocket and collapsible tube. 5 pounds total weight. Penetrates 350mm armor. Ideal emergency anti-tank capability. RPG 76 Coma 68mm disposable rocket weighing 3.5 pounds. Tandem heat warhead defeats reactive armor effective to 200 m. Now this is the Spike LR fire and forget electro-optical missile with 4 kilometers range. Launch relocate immediately. Missile autonomously tracks and destroys target with tandem warhead. Then FGM-48 Javelin infrared seeker locks onto tank heat signatures. Top attack flight profile strikes thin roof armor where reactive protection is weakest. Up next, Peon Polish man pads with infrared and ultraviolet dual-band seeker. Engages aircraft, helicopters, and drones to 6 kilometers altitude. 40° all-aspect tracking.